Introducing the Citadel, our gorgeous Mini ITX tower system. When you think of a Citadel, you think about a stronghold, a fortress, a base of operations. So when we're coming up with this system, the Tower 100 was the obvious choice for the case. It's a stunning, vertically designed tower with sleek blacks and greys throughout. And it's a commanding case, so it really fits the bill of the Citadel. Despite its smaller size, however, this small footprint does mean that even if you have a tiny space to work with, it'll fit neatly on your desk and not take up too much space. Now, just because the case is small, it doesn't mean that we've compromised on any of the hardware. We really like the idea of fitting in great performance in a small, compact footprint. And we've really taken the time to think about the experience you're going to have with the Citadel and really match it to you. Okay, let's start at the core, the CPU. We've got an AMD Ryzen 3600 in the Citadel, and it's an amazing CPU from the 3rd gen of Ryzen. And it's an overall great all-round CPU, perfect for 1080p gaming and even delving into 1440p. Now, we mainly chose this CPU as it's not only great value for you, but it can provide some amazing performance, whether you're a gamer, content creator, or even working from home. For the CPU, we went with AMD. However, when it comes to graphics, we're definitely jumping over to Team Green for this one, with the NVIDIA 30 Series RTX 3060. It's an amazing card and it performs really well across 1080p titles, but where it can shine is actually in the 1440p category. It's a great GPU for both streaming and gaming, and with a whopping 12 gigs of GDDR6 memory, it's great for content creation and can run hefty programs like Adobe Premiere and DaVinci Resolve as well. Holding it all together, the motherboard that we're using for this system is the adequately named ASUS ROG STRIX B550i gaming motherboard. This is an incredible motherboard for several reasons, including the fact that it's compatible with the latest Ryzen processors, so 5th gen, should you want to upgrade down the line. Additionally, it does come with a number of USB ports, so if you're someone who runs a lot of additional peripherals, it's got you covered there. Overall though, the reason why this is such a standout motherboard is actually the sleek black aesthetic, and it really matches the Citadel. When it comes to memory and storage, the Citadel has you covered as well. It comes with 16 gigs of our reliable, fast TOUGHRAM. Now, RAM is really important in running big, resource-heavy programs, but as well as gaming, so having at least 16 gigs is really ideal. The Citadel also comes with a super fast 500GB M.2 SSD and a 2TB hard drive for all your big files or games, so space won't be an issue. To keep everything running cool and efficient, we've also tapped in one of our new TH120 ARGB CPU coolers and our smart 600W gold standard power supply. These are great products from us here at Thermaltake, but to put your mind further at ease, these products, as well as the entire system itself, has a handy 2-year warranty. All of our gaming systems are built right here proudly in Australia, so you can rest easy knowing we'll be looking after your precious PC should you ever need to send it back to us. Overall, the Citadel is specifically catered for someone who wants to play a variety of 1080p games, or even do some streaming, content creation, or even utilize resource-heavy programs. It's built to be reliable, fast, and an efficient system, and it can fit into small desk spaces, so it can perform excellently as either a workstation, game station, or both. Gaming, working, and content creation, this PC has got all of the bases covered for you. The Thermaltake Citadel system. Good looks, outstanding performance, and just maybe your next PC.